Okay, here we go. Let's get in.
Okay. Let's go get in.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go get some paddling.
All right, buddy. Step right here.
Grandpa
Right here.
got me.
Okay. Have a seat. Okay.
Can I have the paddle? I want to paddle.
Okay.
Paddling to me.
Okay,
Can
here we
I
go.
help you paddle, Dad?
Yeah, here, buddy. You gotta spread your arms out a little. Actually, keep them right here, okay? There we go. Perfect. Perfect, buddy.
Yeah, ready. Whoa!
Wow. Did he just do that?
Yeah. You missed it, Daddy.
I didn't. I saw it.
It's like we're riding a motorcycle.
Yeah, just like riding a motorcycle, huh?
Yeah. Maybe one day you and me should ride a motorcycle,
Maybe.
but not going up. Not going up and not going fast.
Yeah, maybe. What do you think, bud? Is it fun?
Yeah. This is like riding a bike too.
It's like riding a bike, yeah.
Remember the first time when I ride my bike by a big boy time?
Uh-huh.
When was that?
I don't know. When was that?
I don't remember.
You don't remember?
Ooh, we're going so far, right?
Yeah. Isn't this fun?
Yeah. Let's see how far we're going.
Yeah.
We're like going a million miles.
Yeah.
We're almost to the next dock.
Almost.
We don't want our boat to break, right?
Right.
Wait, we're turning around already?
Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Look how much miles we went.
Yeah.
That was 100.
Yeah.
And I walked 538 miles. Was it 538?
I think it's like 5,000 miles. And I would walk 5,000 miles. I would walk 5,000 more.
Where's our dock?
It's over there.
5,000 miles back. I will walk 5,000 miles back. And I will walk 5,000 miles back.
Okay, here we go. Okay, going out. Is that fun?
Yeah.
Good.